Where are you going? I'm going home. What are you watching? I'm watching TV. What are you doing? I'm writing my homework. What are you eating? I'm eating an apple. What are you doing? I'm writing my homework. Why are you smiling? I'm feeling happy. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Who are you calling? I'm calling my friend. What are you listening to? I'm listening to music. What are you drinking? I'm drinking water. Are you busy now? Yes, I'm studying. Do you have a room available? Yes, we have a room available.
I have a reservation under Smith. Welcome, Mr. Smith. Your room is ready.
Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it has free Wi-Fi.
What time is breakfast served? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Can I have some extra towels?
Of course, we will bring them to your room.
Can I check out late?
Yes, you can check out by 2 p.m.
Can I order room service? Yes, please dial 9 to place your order.
Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.?
Certainly, we will call you at 7 a.m.
Can I get a late checkout tomorrow?
Yes, your checkout time can be extended to 2 p.m.
Excuse me, where is the restaurant?
The restaurant is on the second floor, near the elevator.